In this video lesson, let us continue to understand regarding the reactions with PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, SOCl2 thionyl chloride. Let us see how the reaction will proceed. RCOOH. This is our carboxylic acid under consideration. Carboxylic acid, when treated with PCl5, an important point to note here is that the reaction is involving the cleavage of the C and then the OH bond, this bond. Therefore, this hydroxyl group will behave more like that of alcohols than that of the carboxylic acid group. Therefore, very easily they will react with PCl5 or phosphorus trichloride or with thionyl chloride exactly in the same way like the alcohols will be showing the reaction. So now what happens? Easy substitution will take place. This OH minus will be substituted by the Cl. So let us see how the product will be. RCO instead of OH, one Cl will be occupying that place. R, C double bond O and then Cl. What else will be the other byproducts? P will combine with this O of OH and 3 more Cl forming POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, along with the H combining with Cl forming HCl. So, what are all the different products we will be getting? We will be getting the acid chloride, the first product, the major phosphorus oxychloride along with HCl. Now, let me write this reaction with example. The first example. Let me replace this R with CH3. CH3COOH reacts with PCl5. So what is our starting material? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid combines with PCl5. Now this OH will be substituted by the Cl. So we will get CH3COCl along with POCl3 plus HCl. So this will be our acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is trivial nomenclature. Ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride is its IUPAC nomenclature. Now let me replace R in the second case, second example with C6H5. We have taken CH3 here. Let us look at the reaction with C6H5. C6H5COOH. The name of the compound is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid reacts with PCl5. So now this OH will be replaced by Cl because the C and then OH as shown here will undergo cleavage, forming, this will remain intact, C6H5 C double bond O Cl along with POCl3 and HCl. These are the other byproducts. So what is the name of this compound? C6H5COCl. This is called benzoyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl are the 3 different products that we will be obtaining when benzoic acid is treated with PCl5. Now, let us look and understand how the reaction will be with PCl3.